tired, he can get it.
Okay.
After work, he can get it.
Look at these
After
old
dinner,
heads.
he can get it.
Okay.
In the morning, he can get it. Before the gym, he can get it. That's my man, so he can get it. Before church, he can get it.
Church.
After church, he can get it. Thank you, Lord, he can get it. In the shower, he can get it. After the shower, he can get it. Date night, he can get it. Date night too, he can get it. Netflix and chill, he can get it. When I'm irritated, he can get it, cause he can change that mood. When we're bored, he can get it. When we're super busy, he can get it. On vacation, he can get it. On staycation, he can get it. In the rain, he can get it. In my car, he can get it. Well, no, my man too big to be getting it in my car. But in his Escalade, he can get it.
Yo.
I'm 5 feet, I can work that out. State to state, he can get it. So can my man really get it just about any time? Hell yeah. You see, this don't have to work for you and your relationship, but it works for me and mine.
Come on.
So it's pointless to hate on me for how I treat mine.
Come on.
Because I'ma still give it to him just about any time.
Yeah, I'm
He can get it. Try it with your man. You might like it. We're gonna keep this marriage hot. Because if he can get it, that means I'm getting it. Sure does make for a fun marriage.
One thing I want to make sure that I point out throughout all of these doggone videos, what did these women continue to say? Make sure I look, because when I take care of that man, I'm taking care of myself. We are good. Another thing to point out, not once did I see any woman in there with a bonnet on, with, walking on the back of her house shoes, night clothes, or anything. All these women look like they kept themselves up. They took care of them. You have to be. It's important, because you cannot pour into anybody else if you're not pouring into yourself. It's just something about, when you leave out the house and you got a nice outfit on, your hair is done, you smell good, you look good. Like you want to give that energy to somebody. Why not give that energy to your person? And so when you walk out the house, or when you, are lounging around and you don't feel good, I'm telling you, it's just something about, let me go ahead and wash my hair and retwist it real quick. Let me go to the salon and, get your nails done, get your feet done, or whatever. It just changes your mood. Man, come on, man. Like, what we doing? What we doing? What did she say? Listen, it don't matter where he at. It don't matter where we at. Listen, she giving it up. In every single last relationship where it is not only lasted the test of time, but those people actually love and like each other, they still doing it like jackrabbits. And these are people that are 50, 60 years old. I guarantee you this young lady is in her 60s. Or getting real close to it. And still like jackrabbits, man. At 5 feet. Come on now. Come on, somebody. Anyway, man, thank you guys so much for tuning in. Until the next time, y'all be blessed. Y'all be beautiful. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.
Blueberry, Burberry, button-up. Tan skin, mixed race, buttercup. Canada weather, got a bundle up. I'm tryna work, she hit my phone, she wanna. Whoa.